Hey, garden enthusiasts! Ready to unravel the ABCs of eco-friendly gardening with a twist of permaculture? Let's cultivate some fun and grow our knowledge from the ground up. A is for agroforestry, integrating trees into your garden. B stands for beneficial insects, our natural allies. C is for crop rotation, keeping the soil healthy and pests confused. D for dynamic accumulators, plants that mine nutrients. E, earthworks, sculpting the land for natural efficiency. F is for food forests, where abundance meets variety. G for guild planting, where plant teams support each other. H stands for humus, the rich, fertile layer of soil. I for irrigation innovations, using water wisely. J, juxtaposition, placing elements for mutual benefit. K is for kitchen garden, your culinary workshops, beautifully functional. L for living mulches, a carpet of ground covers. M stands for mycorrhizal fungi, underground networking. N for natural fencing, made from living plants. O, Allah's unglazed clay pots for efficient watering. P is for polyculture, growing diverse crops together. Q for quorum sensing, plants communicating. R for regenerative agriculture, healing the earth. S stands for seed saving, securing your garden's future. T, topography, using the land's contours to your advantage. U is for urban layering, multi-use spaces in the city. V for vermiculture, our wormy workers. W for water catchment systems, harvesting rain. X for xyloflora, plants that love wood. Y for yield-enhancing tactics, more bang for your buck. Z, zone planning, organizing space wisely. Transformed by our Permaculture Playbook? Start with any step and see your garden thrive. Subscribe for more eco-gardening tricks, share your green journey, and help us plant the seeds for a sustainable future. Let's make every garden a permaculture showcase.